Hey there, web pros, busy entrepreneurs, and do it all freelancers. If you need a fast and flexible way to build websites, you're in the right place. In this quick tour, we'll cover Flexbe's best features, from the basics to customizing your very first page, so you can get up and running in no time. Sound good? Let's jump in. Alright, head over to flexbe.com and click Start Free Trial button. Quickly enter your email, create a password, and you're set. Done. You're in. There are 3 ways to create your first page. AI generation. Just describe your business, and our AI will spin up a custom-tailored site instantly. You can also choose a ready-made template from our library, designed for all sorts of businesses. But let's keep things fresh and click Start from Scratch. Welcome to the page editor. Let's kick things off by adding some sections. Click Add Section. There are 500 pre-built sections for any purpose. Let's add a header. A transparent header means it overlaps the section below it. Next, let's drop in a hero section. On the left, you'll find categories for quick navigation. Let's add a few more sections. In each section's corner, you'll find structure controls. Turn on tabs, change the width, set the number of cards per row, or even flip cards horizontally. You can also tweak proportions. Love sliders? Flip those cards into dynamic carousels. Customize every detail right here. Each card has its own settings bar. Adjust padding, background colors, text alignment, and more instantly. Spot that special icon? It applies your changes to all cards, saving you a ton of clicks. Click the plus icon to add elements from our library. Let's add a button as an example. Then drag it anywhere your design heart desires. Want to tweak something? Just click that element. Style that button your way or grab a slick preset. Let's make this button trigger a pop-up. Check out all the pop-up types in the library. Drop in a form to capture leads effortlessly. Pop-ups are just as flexible as sections. After submitting the form, we'll show a thank you message. Here, tweak your form fields, styles, and advanced settings in seconds. Every section you see is built on 3 powerful types: cards, columns, or free sections. Let's add a free section from the Special tab. Free sections are your designer toolkit. Craft stunning, Figma-like layouts with ease. For smooth workflow, toggle the layers and settings panels, manage objects, stack layers, and tackle overlaps. Want motion? Open the animation panel and bring elements to life on scroll or click. Step-by-step animations can create super complex effects. We'll save that for another video. Up top, switch to the mobile editor. This is where you adjust text size, spacing, and other settings for mobile devices. Let's dive into the section context menu. Add go-to sections to favorites for lightning-fast reuse. Global sections let you reuse sections site-wide, edit once, update everywhere. Below, we have some marketing tools, A/B testing, and dynamic content replacement. Set anchors for easy direct links straight to specific sections. You can also hide sections on different devices. Let's add this section to favorites. We'll make the header a global section since it's consistent everywhere, so edit once and done. Back in Add section, click Favorites. Instantly reuse your favorite sections. Global sections aren't just copies. Click Edit to open its own editor. Update your header once, it's updated everywhere. Now let's explore the top bar. Click here to copy the full page URL. Under Page Settings, you can set the title, URL, and SEO options. Pop-ups hold all the pop-up windows for your page. Click on a pop-up to view and edit it. Hit Add Pop-up to create a new one. Text styles set your site's typography vibe. 7 defaults ready to go. Change one text style and it auto-updates site-wide. You can also tweak styles specifically for mobile. Grab fonts from Google Fonts or upload your own. Code is where you can insert various widget scripts or your own code, regular HTML or React. Editor options include toggles for settings and layers panels. You can turn on the grid display for perfect alignment. Fine-tune your grid exactly how you want it. Next come the guides. Guides keep content aligned effortlessly for pixel-perfect layouts. Show distance displays pixel measurements relative to nearby elements. Snap to object makes elements snap neatly against edges. Container auto-selection automatically switches an element's parent container. Page zoom lets you zoom in for details or zoom out for the big picture. Device emulation shows how the page looks on different devices. And of course, classic undo and redo, your best friends. Save history lets you revert to previous versions of the page. Preview mode gives you a live look. See exactly how visitors experience your page. Alright, let's check out what else you've got here. Click your site address to land on Sites, the dashboard for all your projects. You can create a new site here. Mark a site as a draft, so you won't be charged. Perfect for testing or developing. The site menu lets you duplicate or easily transfer ownership. Click a site to open its settings and display the pages list. Quickly create new pages right here. In the context menu, you'll find all your essential page actions. The next tab, Products, is for setting up an online store. Organize your product categories on the left side. To edit a product, click it. All product info lives here. You can choose categories for the product. Click an option to configure variations. Let's add one as an example. The new variant shows up in the table. Set its price, quantity, or SKU. Need variant-specific images? Just click the variant name. You can add multiple options for each product. Now, your product has a toggle for two options, material and size. New variant rows appear for managing each variant. Next up, Leads, your hub for tracking form submissions and orders. You can filter and export them in various formats. Let's click a lead to view details. All the lead details you need, neatly organized here. Drop quick notes for you or your teammates. Below, you'll see traffic source info such as UTM tags. On the right side, you'll find the submission page, visitor's location, and device data. Jump into Analytics. This gives you an overview of visitors, leads, and conversion. Next, the Settings tab, where all main site settings are stored. Favicon is the tiny but mighty icon that brands your browser tabs. Site language customizes system labels in over 50 languages. Then, choose slick animations for your sections. Activate reCAPTCHA and say goodbye to spam. Domains is where you connect or register your own branded domains. In notifications, set up email addresses to receive new lead alerts. Speed optimization boosts performance with lazy loading, placeholders, image compression, and modern images formats like WebP. Fonts lets you upload your custom typography. Code injection makes it easy to drop custom scripts across your site. Personal data settings handle privacy notices and cookie banners. Verify ownership makes domain verification simple. Just upload files from any service. Under SEO, pick your preferred URL format and edit the robots.txt file. Redirects handle URL forwarding, great if you delete or rename pages or migrate from another platform. Site access shows who can edit your site. Emails to customers sets up automatic order confirmations for your customers. AI settings lets you set business details to supercharge AI-driven text editing and page generation. Store settings fine-tune your online shop experience. Shipping is where you configure shipping methods and pickup locations at checkout. Let's quickly set up a pickup location. Next, let's talk discounts. Discounts can be percentage-based or fixed, triggered by minimum order amounts. Promo codes give discounts exclusively with a special code. Set expiry dates for urgency. Analytics integrates tracking IDs like Google or custom codes effortlessly. Widgets manage all your external tools like live chat from one convenient spot. Email marketing automatically feeds leads to your newsletters and drip campaigns. In lead exports, set up auto export to Google Sheets or other services. Payments connects trusted payment gateways instantly. Business email gets you a pro address on your own domain. API lets you create keys and webhooks for custom integrations. In Profile, you can tweak interface options, like language. There are over 30 languages available. If you're ready for a paid plan, select a subscription. In Members, you can add your team so they can work on the site. The Help menu links you to our live support chat. Drop a message, and they'll get back to you fast. Plus, our Help Center has you covered anytime. And down in the footer, switch between regions and languages. Flexbe works worldwide. All right, that was intense. Now it's your turn. Dive in, explore the features, and get your site live faster than you thought possible. For more tips, subscribe and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.